Happy Thursday, everybody. Please disregard these weird stray hairs. I wanted to just pop on today and talk to you for a few minutes about why cycle tracking matters and what it actually tells us from a clinical standpoint. So, a lot of women that I work with hate it when I suggest or strongly recommend or ensure that they are tracking their cycles because, one, it feels kind of pointless because most of us have been tracking our cycles, for most of our menstruation. We use it on an app and we just plug in, when we're having specific symptoms. And so it feels kind of pointless. But from a clinical perspective, what we are looking for when somebody is tracking their cycles is actually their pattern of symptoms that indicates the root causes that they are experiencing that are leading to menstrual migraines, bloating, breast tenderness, irritability, painful periods, heavy periods, etc. So there is actually a clinical significance to tracking because it lets us know the intensity of their symptoms, the duration of their symptoms, which then gives us feedback about what the underlying physiology is that's keeping you stuck. So it may feel pointless to you, and I get that because we've kind of been trained to do cycle tracking in a way that's not beneficial. It's like, why would I bother writing this down if it's not actually going to help me? But I want you to flip the switch in your mind to recognizing that the whole reason we're tracking these symptoms and over a period of time, meaning we're looking at the entirety of the month or multiple months, is actually to identify the root causes and how significantly they are impacting your hormones. So from a clinical perspective, it's actually extremely significant that we have that information. And so I'm curious for you, one, if this is new information to you that you never thought about cycle tracking as a means of getting more information about what's going on with your hormones, or two, you hate cycle tracking because you've kind of just been doing it to plan your life around your symptoms. If you could let me know in the comments, that would be super helpful. Thank you so much.